Guys, using these kind of smart BLDC fans is actually pretty easy thanks to their all new remote controls or Wi-Fi smart app. But guys, what happens the day when your Wi-Fi goes down or when you lose the remote or maybe its batteries have run down? So guys, in this today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your BLDC smart fan without remote or Wi-Fi. The example that I'm going to use today is the SuperFan Duocool. The review is available here in the I button, and if you feel like buying this model, then affiliate buying link is available in the video description or in the view product section right over here. So guys, let's move towards its switchboard. This is the one that I'm talking about, and the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to place the original remote and the Wi-Fi smart app right here. I'm not going to touch them. So what I'm going to touch is this. So this is the switch. All right, and to turn it on without remote, what we have to do is we have to flick this thing on and off a certain number of times. How many times? Well, you can read it over here with the help of this chart. So are you guys ready? Let's rapidly do this 4 to 5 times, and it can take a bit of practice. If you fail once, feel free to try again. All right, here we go. Okay, so let's see if this fan recognizes any kind of signal, and is it gonna spin up? Okay, it did not spin up. So what I'm going to do is turn it off and maybe try a bit faster this time. This thing is a little finicky. I wish it was easier, but here we go again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's keep it on like that and let's see if it's gonna work. And yes, this time it does work. So yes, it can take a couple of retries, but here we can see that successfully the fan has started spinning, and we could successfully use it without the use of remote or Wi-Fi. Guys, on this particular channel, I have made a variety of videos with respect to these smart fans, and all of them are available in the form of clickable video cards right here. You can click on any of these cards and jump to those videos, maybe learn something new about your smart fans today. That's it for this neat little video, guys. Take care and have a nice day.